Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all? I get money when I want. The ones that look like stars. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second.
First things first, we have to go in with an eyeshadow primer. I'm using Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Then I'm going to spoolie out my brows. Just like that. Then I'm going to spray my brush so that the shadow stays on and gives better pigment. I'm using those two top shadows. And now I'm just using hair-like strokes. Don't give up. Keep going. I'm starting down at the bottom now. Just making the eyebrow shape and slowly filling it in. We're just going to keep adding these hair-like strokes. With the brush, now you have to point it down to make those little hair-like replica strokes in the front. You're going to go from the part that's the smallest to the widest and brush up in this little brush-like motions. See what I'm doing? And don't give up. Keep going with it. You can already tell that they're starting to mimic just like hairs. See? Believe me, it's all going to come together. Just keep doing those strokes until the brow is full. Now we're going to spoolie it out. Brow is going to be exactly the same, so you don't have to worry about that. But you see how there's a little smudge right there? That's where the last part of my brow routine comes in. Actually, the second last. I'm going to take this detail brush from Real Techniques. It's got a very fine point. And this NYX Cosmetics concealer. And I'm going to ever so gently dip into this paint pot. And I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to go into a way lighter concealer. Halo on top of the brows. This is going to give them that fleeky effect around the arch. Do you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Okay, then I'm going to go on the other one. Don't worry about blending it out just yet. Just do little brush stroke motions. You can also look at your other brow, make sure it's even. But where you blend it down, you're going to go ahead and meet your finger and just smudge it on in. Then I like to take a beauty blender. When you blend with your finger up, take it far away from the brows so that then that way you can go in with a beauty blender or a brush and just blend all that excess off. What I like to do to really seal them in is I either go with the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder, or you can go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. But there's a trick and a technique to it. You're going to take a brush kind of like this. Make sure it's clean. Let me make sure it's clean. So it's summertime, and I live in Florida, so for me it's summer all the time, and I don't have any brows because when I was in 6th grade, I shaved my brows in the front and they never grew back. So this is all fake hairs. I only have hair from about here to about here, and it's very sparse. So I need my brows to stay on all day, especially working at Disney. I have to have my brows on. I work outside doing the parades, and so I need my brows to stay on. I can't have them smudging around. I meet people. I meet famous people. Shout out Jaclyn Hill. I saw you. Lid of my setting powder, and I just tap on the brush, and then on top of the brow, I just lightly dab over. Look, to the book for my brows. I've put my brows on with a Sharpie marker. I've done everything. I bought all kinds of gimmick pencils. And my tried and true, what it comes down to is this eyebrow routine. An all-nighter setting spray or Urban Decay Chill. And you're just going to focus on the brows, but not too close. And you're going to go like that. I promise you that these brows are not coming off. You don't need to go buy Wonder Brow. This is my waterproof everyday, doesn't budge. I can wake up in the morning and it's still on brow routine. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.